Okay, here we are. The bottom part is done of the playfield. Here are all the new flipper housings, new coils, sleeves, flipper bushings, fiber, new bulbs, another flipper here, rebuilt bonus unit, rebuilt flag unit, removed the mushroom bumpers, put new rubber rings, cleaned. All the inserts on the playfield are clean. The star inserts are also clean. Sockets were replaced as needed. All the relays have been adjusted. And some of the sockets, if they're real loose, right here, what you do, if that's real loose and the socket's flickering, grind it with your Dremel tool on both sides and put a bead of solder on it. I don't know if you can see that or not. Put a bead of solder on it, and then that locks it in and it'll make contact. That's one trick, so you don't have to change all the sockets. That usually fixes it. If it still doesn't work, you can cut this wire and clean the top of this and solder on the very top, and then for sure it'll work. Here's another one I did here. You can see it. A little bead of solder. You need a real hot iron because it's a lot of metal you're heating up before the solder will actually melt. So you need a hot iron. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now we're going to reassemble the top part of the playfield. Here's a pop bumper that's also been rebuilt. New coil, new fiber, yoke. So that's all good to go. New end of strokes on all the flippers too. All the plugs have been cleaned, inside and out, so you get good contact. Alrighty, we'll be back to see what the playfield looks like. Okay, thank you.